Hey friend, so today I really wanted to share with you my experience and some great insights on how to plan an Azure Virtual Desktop implementation. I've been knee-deep in this process, and I've come across some great resources out there, like a blog post over at a ref is equal to neeraj.qzz.io Neeraj A that's been immensely helpful. Now, let me walk you through the nitty-gritty of setting up AVD in Microsoft Azure, and together we'll cover architecture, configuration, troubleshooting, and all those key best practices you really ought to know if you are aiming for a top-notch enterprise-grade setup. At the outset, you've probably heard about Azure Virtual Desktop, which for years went by the name WVD, and now it's part of Azure's suite of virtual services. It's like Microsoft's answer to remote work, really, offering a powerful way to manage desktop and app virtualization, enabling secure access for users anywhere, whether office or home. It's not just for small or test environments anymore, it's fully up for enterprises as well. When you land on Azure AD, it's essential to get right down to understanding and defining your identity and access policies. You'll be managing a lot of user permissions, so ensuring you are using the right features and integrating with your existing systems effectively is going to play a big part. From the start, decide if you want multi-factor authentication and what type, think about your security needs, and make sure you consider compliance requirements throughout. Next up, let's talk VNet. When setting up Azure AVD, creating a dedicated subnet for AVD resources makes sense, as it ensures proper network isolation, essential for securing sensitive data. Also, consider how Azure AVD will interact with your existing virtual network infrastructure if there's one. You'll likely need to adjust firewall settings, route traffic appropriately, all of which is absolutely crucial for maintaining a robust security posture. Alright, now let's get into SysC.